Hello students, you are most welcome at St. Mary Convent School. The admission for next academic session 2020-21 has now been started. As the school campus is temporarily closed, you can get online admission. For it, you have to visit our website www.stmarybarhas.in and from there fill the online application form for admission. Shortly afterwards, the representatives from our school will call you. Here you can get admission in 10 plus 2 from three different streams: math stream, bio stream and commerce stream. The faculty at here is really excellent and superb one in comparison to the other neighboring schools and institutions. If you need any type of help in English language and literature, you can without hesitation call or mail on the given number. In this video, I am going to describe about two stories about flying. The third chapter. Under it, the first part is His First Flight. It has been written by Liam O'Flaherty. The importance and relevancy of this chapter is really of great importance for the students of class 10th because it speaks about the challenges and the hesitations which are being faced by the students of this level. It is your first flight because this year you are going to face the board examination for 10th. During the first flight, the flyer feel a type of hesitation, a type of dread, a type of fear, and this chapter has been inserted in your syllabus with an objective to swipe away and to remove the fear from your mind so that you may face the challenges of this first flight. This chapter is dealing the story of a young seagull. This young seagull has its parents, one brother and one sister. Though there is no doubt that his parents are well expert and handled in flying, even the brother and sister of this young seagull are also expert in flying. But there is always a type of fear in the mind of this young seagull, and that's why this young seagull is not able to make its first flight. There was one more reason that this young seagull could not fly because its parents provided the food and other stuffs to it. There was no necessity before this young seagull, and it was the main reason of its failure in making its first flight. But we all know well that necessity is the mother of invention. Whenever we feel any type of necessary, then we pave the way essential and necessary for it. The same thing happens with this seagull. One day its mother carries to it on a sea type of area and there is a deep rift. The young seagull stands there and its mother tempts it with a piece of fish in its beak. The mother is tempting to the young seagull so that it could make its attempt for flying. In the beginning, the young seagull could not move due to fear, but as you know that, and I have already mentioned that necessity is the mother of invention. So when the young seagull felt extreme hunger, it could not control over it, and all its fear was lost before it. Now, students, it is a moral message before you not to fail to do anything thinking it to be tough and difficult one and thinking it to be impossible. In this chapter, the young seagull has been compared with the students of your class, and the parents and the brothers and sisters of this chapter have been compared with teachers and your seniors. It is the duty and effort of your teachers and seniors to develop something extrovertness in you so that you may be able to depend on yourself, so that you may become self dependent. If we start giving support to someone, then that someone always seeks support from others, and throughout the whole life there can't be developed complete independence and self dependence in that character. That's why take this chapter as an ideal role model before you and try to develop all the features on and totally on yourselves.